Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Sony TV type, and the method you'll use: Chromecast built-in on Android/Google TV, Miracast on some models, or AirPlay for Apple devices. Make sure both the TV and your phone or laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network, and note whether you need 2, 4, or 5 GHz. Once done, open the TV settings, locate network and accessories or apps, then enable screen mirroring, Chromecast, or AirPlay so the TV is ready to accept a connection. Now you connect from your device. On Android, pull down Quick Settings or open Google Home, tap Cast, and select your Sony TV. On iPhone or iPad, open Control Center, choose Screen Mirroring, then pick the TV name. If you're on Windows, press Windows plus K or Open Project, pick Connect to a wireless display, and select the Sony. For Mac OS, use AirPlay from the menu bar. Make sure the TV shows any pairing prompt and accept it. This establishes the secure stream. Finish by confirming the picture and sound. Set the TV input and adjust resolution or audio output if things look or sound wrong, and if you're using HDMI, enable the correct ARC or eARC settings. Once casting, you can stream apps or mirror screens. Make sure power saving is off to prevent drops. If the connection fails, restart the router, TV, and source device, check for firmware or driver updates, and test a different cable or Wi-Fi band. That usually fixes intermittent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.